Assalamualaikum grade 1, take out your Oxford English Progressive book and open your page number 24. Today we are starting unit 5, all at sea. All at sea means confused and not certain what to do. So unit 5 lesson 1, listen and speak. First of all, listen and then speak. A part, read these dialogues with your friend. Okay, now read it with me. What's that? She asked question to him. What's that? He replied her, it's an octopus. What is it? It's an octopus. Tell me about it. It's got 8 legs. It lives in the sea. It got 8 legs. How many legs it have? It have 8 legs and it lives in the sea. Look at next picture. She asked to him, what are those? What are those? He replied her, they are sharks. They are sharks. What is it? They are sharks. Tell me about them. He replied her, they have got big white teeth. They live in the sea too. They have big white teeth and they live in the sea too. Okay, look at B part. Now talk about these sea creatures. Turtles, crabs and starfish. Turtles. Turtles live on land and water. Crabs live on land and water too. And starfish. Starfish also lives in fresh water. These are sea creatures. Today we learn about an octopus, sharks, turtles, crabs and starfish. These are sea creatures. C part, describe an animal and ask your friend to guess what it is. Okay. You also describe another animals with your friend and guess what it is. Okay. D part, sing a song, dance for your daddy. Okay, now sing it with me. Dance for your daddy, my little lady. Dance for your daddy, my little lad. Okay. This man telling a poem to her girl. Dance for your daddy, my little lady. Dance for your daddy, my little lad. You shall have a fishy in your little dishy. You shall have a fishy when the boat comes in. He tells her, when the boat comes in, she get a fish in her dish. Okay, look at page number 25, unit number 5, lesson 2, phonics and words. A part, read the words with the sh, sh, and the, th, and day sounds. Sh, the, and day sounds match the pictures to the words. Okay, here we have sh sound, here we have th sound, and here we have day sound. Okay, here fish. First word is fish. Where is fish? Here. Match it with fish. Shark. Where is it? Here. Match it with shark. Next word is shell. 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 Match it with shell. Here is shell. Where is shirt? Here. Okay. Now match it with shirt. Shoes. Okay. Where is it? Here. Now match it with shoes. sheep. Sheep. Here is sheep. Now match it with sheep. Okay. Look at here. The sound. This that, these, those, mother, father, and day, sound day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These. Now look at C part. Use sha and thus to complete these words. Example: Sarah's mother has got blue shoes. Here, mother in mother the sound and shoes sha sound. Okay, number 1. A dash is eating. A sheep, sheep, sheep. A sheep is eating. Okay. Eating rose flowers. R-O-S-E, rose. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers, rose flowers. A sheep is eating rose flowers. Number 2. Look at this lovely fish. Look at this lovely fish. Here we have the and sha sound. The in this and fish, sha sound. Okay, F-I-S-H, fish. Look at T-H-I-S, this lovely, F-I-S-H, fish. Look at this lovely fish. Number 3. Sarah's here. Sarah's father. Sarah's father has caught a shark. Look at the part. Look at the pictures in exercise A. What color are they? The shell is pink. Okay, now look at here. The shell is pink. The shark is gray. The fish is purple. The sheep is white. The shoes are brown. The shirt is red. Today's your homework is read these dialogues. Now take care. Allah Hafiz.